Hey guys, what's up? Mountain Drewby here. So this is my first time ever using this thing. The Settler's Wrench, Scotch Eye, whatever you want to call it. I just got a cheap version off of Amazon, just trying it out. I have no clue about this thing. This part, little snail, like the starter screw, this whole auger bit works fantastic, cuts really good. The thickness back here is actually pretty solid. I was worried about the weld in there, but that didn't break. I know one of y'all commented on that, said you got the same one and it broke, and it does look like that could happen, and so I was actually worried about that. But this is after one time using it. It mushroomed out. I had soft, actually non-dry wood that's pretty fresh, and it still mushroomed out. So do your research if you're gonna get one of these things. Freaking sweet, really fun. I don't know if it's practical for bushcraft or not, but it is cool to have. So thanks for following.